You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this science. If you want to learn more names from medicine, science, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Virology. Virology. Stress on the second syllable, the raw syllable. How to pronounce virology. English pronunciation, virology. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.